You're probably that person that when somebody needs you, when they call you, when they need a shoulder to cry on, you're always there for that person or you're always there for somebody, right? But when you need that for yourself and you look for other people to come and save you or help you, nobody's there. Or you're probably somebody that's always put on the mask, even though under that mask you're like crying inside, you know what I'm saying? On the inside you're really hurt, you know what I'm saying? You're tired of being strong. But this video is for you. This is some encouragement because we all go through it, you know what I'm saying? I'm that person, you know what I'm saying? You may be that person. You may know somebody that's like that, you know? If you're tired of being strong, this video is for you, man. So YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Nick, just dope. Back another video. NJD Nation, what's up with it, man? Yes, sir. We're just gonna dive right into it, man. Like I said, this video is just encouragement for anybody out there that is, you know, tired of being strong. You know, God laid this topic on my heart to just encourage somebody because, you know, anything that I bring on this video or bring on this channel and share with y'all, I've been going through it myself, or I went through it and I got through it, and I want to help you get through it as well. So yeah, bro, I guess we're just gonna dive right in, man. Like, I know that, you know, especially in these times right now that we're living in, it's a lot of stuff going on, and you know, you need somebody. You know what I'm saying? You need encouragement, and you're just tired of being strong. You know what I'm saying? I know how it is. I know how it is to be that person that is always giving advice or handing out a helping hand here and there, stuff like that, man. But it's like, dang, when am I gonna get that same help that I'm giving out, man? I think Kendrick said it best. I forgot what song I forgot what song this is from, but he said, I'm probably saying it all wrong, but he said, ain't nobody praying for me, you feel me? And that's the whole gist of it, man. Like, I'm praying for everybody else, but who's praying for me? Do I have somebody is praying on my behalf or warring on my behalf when I can't go and handle it by myself? It seems like the whole weight of the world is on your shoulders, and it's like, dang, like, can I help, or can I have somebody to help lift this weight off of me? You feel me? We've all been there. We've all been there, bro. Especially, like, I'll give you a time where when I felt like that, when I lost my dad back in 2021. I was going through a lot around that time, like my business and stuff was like slowing down and stuff like that. I was struggling. Well, not struggling financially, but the finances was dwindling. I'll just say that. And you know, I was trying to handle everything on my own, and a lot of that is due to pride, you feel me? Because like I'm that type of person where I'm like, yo, I got it on my own. If ain't nobody else gonna do it, I'm gonna do it for myself. And I brought that weight on myself. And it was like around that time too, I was encouraging other people, but dang, like I was an empty cup trying to pour into somebody else's cup. You know what I'm saying? You can't pour into somebody else's cup when your cup is empty. And so that's how I was. I was trying to pour into everybody else, but it got to a point where I was like, yo, I can't do it no more. I can't do it no more. And I was like, yo, I need somebody. Can somebody hear my cry? And that perfect person was God. God heard my cry. And that's the thing, bro. God knows your heart. And I know that's such a cliche saying that we always hear nowadays, or that I've always heard growing up, you know, God knows my heart, you know what I'm saying? But God really does know your heart. He knows your desires, your deepest worries and things like that. And he knows when you're going through it. And he just wants you to cry out to him. Reach out to him. Even if you don't know what to say, just, God help me. But say it with a sincere heart, you know? And he's right there. He's right there next to you. He just wants you to call out to him. And he will, you know what I'm saying? I'll say it again. He will answer. You just have to call out to him. He's standing on the other side of the door. All you have to do is knock and open the door. And he will come in. You feel me? Just let him in. Allow him into your heart. That's where I was when I was at my wit's end. You feel me? Like, that's when he stepped in. That's when he intercepted. And he just stepped in on my behalf and just helped me along the way. Then that's when I really like allowed him into my heart. There's one thing to say you want to grow or strengthen your relationship with God, but it's like, okay, what are the steps that you're going to take? You know what I'm saying? It's a two-way street. God will meet you halfway. You just got to pull up your end of the bargain. That's literally what I had to do, man. I had to just submit myself, kill all of my desires and things like that, bro. Because that's another thing. We feel like we have to, or we feel like we know what's best for our life, you know, and God knows what's best. I just say that God knows what's best, man. We can try to do it our way for so long, you know, and we can only get so far. But it gets to a point to where it's like, all right, I can't do this by myself. And that was me. I was trying to do everything by myself. I feel like I ain't need no help, you know, but let's be honest, bro. Let's be honest. We all need help, bro. I don't care if you're the strongest person in the world. If you need that encouragement, you need it. This is just my way of encouraging somebody else that's out there. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you may feel like you're at your wit's end. You know, this video reached you right in time. And I'm just here to let you know that it's okay to feel like, okay, I need help and I don't know who else to look to. Look up. 2 words, look up, bro. Look up, sis. I recorded this video like a few days ago and I lost, well, I didn't even lost, wow. I didn't even lose it. Like the footage, I recorded on my phone. I was out and about and I felt led to, you know, record it while I was out and about on my phone, and I lost storage, or my storage was full, so I ended up losing the whole video. So I said a lot of stuff in that, you know what I'm saying? I tried to remember everything that I said at that time, but yeah, I ain't want to make this no long, drawn out, deep video, bro. It's just really simple, man. Like, if you're feeling like you don't want to be strong anymore, or if you're tired of being strong, you know what I'm saying? It's okay to lean on somebody else. You know, it's okay to lean on God. It's okay to ask for help. And hey, like I said, bro, if y'all want to conversate, you know what I'm saying, get down in the comments, we can talk, be transparent, you feel me? This channel now is all about transparency. Like I said, when I made this channel back in 2016, I didn't know that I was gonna turn up in 2025 and start making motivational / talking videos, you feel me? So it's like, hey man, that's what this channel is here for now, man. So if you need to vent or whatever the case may be transparent. The comment section is open. I'll talk to you as well too, man. So we're all about positivity and growth, you know what I'm saying? So if you need some help, comment down below. If you just want to talk, comment down below, all that good stuff, man. And subscribe. You know, we're a welcoming community over here, man. We don't judge and nothing like that. We're welcoming. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man, if you're new. And yeah, man, that's all I gotta say, man. So with that being said, it's your boy, They Just Dope, signing out. Deuces.